Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Genovia Rial, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my shit. So today we putting a wig on. Today we are putting a wig on, and the wig is actually human, bitch. Look at me, I got a human hair wig. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link below. But yeah, it's either 4x4 or 5x5 closure part wig. So y'all know I can do synthetic wigs like that full thing, but I'm scared to do human. I'm scared. I'm used to synthetic wigs of 13x4 or whatever the fuck it's called. So today we are doing a closure wig. I already plucked the lace, and this is how much I plucked. So already plucked the lace here. I think I'm going to add in some powder foundation, but I don't feel like I need it. It looked good. It looked blessed. So I think, let's see, I'm gonna just add a little bit and see what's up and what's happening and what's popping. Let me see. So I'm using this. This is what I use under my, actually, I use another thing under my eyes, but let me go ahead and put this on the lace a little bit. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Make it a little browner than what it is. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to use some Bold Hold liquid gold today. I'm scared. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I'm gonna speed it up. So let's see. Ooh, I need a wax. Oh my God. All right, let's go ahead and install this wig.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you?
Yikes! What the fuck is in? Is something in here? Damn!
I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay. Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby.
Okay, so we're almost done. This hump in the back, now lift your rump, is irritating me, and I got a wax under my arms. Real bad. Ooh, bad. There we go. That's all it motherfucking take is a little gots to be, baby. Gots to be putting it down now. It's like sprints. I'm gonna tie this down so it can lay down because it's still poofy on the side. But the hair overall, I tell you right now, is really good. Do not look at the hair under my arms. This was super easy. I love closure wigs. This is what it's giving. This is what it's giving. But yeah, so I'm happy. I'm happy with it. So yeah, this should be a short video. Thank you guys for watching. This is what it's giving. Let me lower this a little bit so you can see the back. But yeah, that's how far it comes down on me, and it is 24 inches, and it is a 4 or 5 inch closure piece. So if you like it, the link is down below and you'll be able to purchase it. Just make sure you figure out how to put that shit down right here. But yeah, thank you for watching.
Playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works.